Hello. Today I got bored and decided to do some electronics-ing, and I made something that will take any mentions you get on Twitter and convert them to Morse code using an Arduino and a speaker. But rather than explain it, I'll just show you. The PC is connected to the Arduino through the serial port, actually through some XB wireless dudes, which is even cooler because the whole setup is not tethered to the PC. And I have a C# application that I can use the Twitter API with to get the tweets. And it's on COM4. So it's going to connect and get the latest mention, and then it's going to check every minute for new mentions, and if there's ever a new mention, we will convert the newest one into Morse code. So it's found the latest mention, so we can make a new tweet. Hello, this is a new tweet. Yay. Jones Nader Dev. Click update, and it's going to sleep for a minute, and during that time I will be able to show you the setup, hopefully. Here's a display that will display the tweets. Here's a pot that controls the pitch of the Morse code and one for the speed of the Morse code. Here's Arduino, and here are the XBs that will communicate with each other. And there you have it. One other feature I put in is that it will always remember the last tweet it got, and it stores it in the onboard memory. So if I push the button, it will do it again. If I turn it off, I can show you that I can affect both the pitch and the speed of the tweet. Now it's much slower. The display will always update as we are updating the Morse code. Anyway, I think this is pretty cool.